We look here and we see what is the main cities, like what are the biggest cities, and you could Google it, or you could just like literally look here and you could tell, right? Like, okay, so Charleston is clearly a big city. Columbia is clearly a big city. Augusta is, I think, like on the line of Georgia here. Myrtle Beach seems to be pretty big. So we just went right outside. Like we're probably doing some marketing in North Charleston. We're probably doing marketing in Waterboro. We're probably doing marketing in Lexington, Sumter.
When you're calling these markets, are you just, this is a technical question, but are you calling from you're using I think call rails, or I'm not sure what you're using for Ring Central actually. Are you creating a Ring Central phone number in each of these markets?
Pretty much, yes.
You are. So you have a whole bunch of numbers. Got it.
Yeah. Don't let that stop you. Like for a while, we did a lot of deals just on the South Florida numbers.
Yeah.
You know, one of our VAs like organizes it really well for us and our salespeople. But I mean, we did probably, I don't know, well over 30 deals with South Florida number.
Yeah, because I'm navigating that, at least in the different Florida markets where you have kind of a direct dial number in Ring Central, but then you have a main number. It's actually a little tricky to configure Ring Central with multiple
Honestly,
people.
it is. It's good for that stuff to like, I mean, if you guys are just one-man shows, focus on it. But if you do have an assistant or something, have them kind of figure that out for you.
I am. But I realize it's at Ring Central. It's actually not so easy to configure that.
No, it's not.
I have someone spending hours on it. My VA working on it.
That's smart. Very smart. Yep. So that's how we would look. We'd start with where are people moving to. Pick a few states that you know, honestly, there's not like a huge formula. There's some, like I've heard from some top investors, South Carolina is a great state to be in. Something we do too is Memphis Invest, right? This is Ken Clothier's company. They do wholesale. Also, what we do is like we follow big companies. We follow, I'm trying to find their website here. Could it be? We follow big companies. So if you go like on their website, no, this isn't them. Or if you put like, who are some of these big ones we follow? Like Invitation Homes. We pretty much just go where they're going because they do all the research for us. So how do you find out where they're going? So you click here, you go on their website. Invitation Homes is a huge hedge fund that buys tons of single family homes. So then we go to, you just have to play with it, right? Like we're just doing a little research. I think they have somewhere like, okay, locations. Atlanta, Carolinas, Chicago, Dallas. Right here, these are the markets we would look at. South Florida, South Carolina, Seattle, Tampa, Orlando, Northern California, Minneapolis, Las Vegas. So these are the markets they're in. These people have billions of dollars, meaning they have very highly educated people doing research for them. So you just pick some of these and be like, okay, I like Atlanta. I like, you know that if you pick any of these markets, you're in a market where there's cash buyers and rental buyers and all that stuff. Does that make sense? That's how we do it.
Then also, would you say like the minimum time you want to spend in a market just to test it out is going to be about 90 days minimum?
Yeah, correct. If you pick, let's say, all right, I'm going to pick Seattle. You know, if you're going to do texting there or cold call or whatever, spend at least 90 days worth of marketing and budget or whatever there before you make a determination like, do I want to stay or leave? It's not fair to give a market 30 days and then leave. It needs at least 3 months. Because you saw here, right? Like we saw this. It takes maybe a week, 5 days, whatever, to get contracts signed and closed. So like if you start marketing today, you're really not going to start seeing the dollars in the next 45 days to 60 days. So if you leave in 30 days, you didn't even give the market a fair chance.